Did you know? The UK is rapidly transitioning towards clean energy, with renewables now powering a significant share of electricity generation. But building a sustainable future is not just about generating green energy, it is about integrating it efficiently into the power system. As the demand for renewable energy grows, challenges also increase, like fluctuating power from solar and wind and grid stability issues. Energy storage limitations add another layer of complexity to grid management. Traditional power systems were never designed for this level of renewable integration. That is where advanced electrical engineering solutions come in. At VSS Power Engineering Services Limited, we help transform renewable energy into reliable grid-ready power. We design high-performance systems for solar, wind, and hybrid power projects, ensuring efficiency from day one. Our experts ensure seamless connection to the grid while meeting all UK and international standards. We integrate battery storage systems to manage fluctuations and ensure a consistent power supply. From substations to renewable assets, we ensure every system operates safely and efficiently through testing and commissioning. Using advanced SCADA systems, we provide real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance for optimal performance. The future of energy is clean, decentralized, and digital, powered by smart grids, automation, and energy storage technologies. Companies that invest in the right electrical solutions today will lead tomorrow's energy landscape. With expertise across the UK, Europe, and beyond, VSS Power delivers end-to-end solutions from design to commissioning. We do not just support renewable projects, we make them reliable, scalable, and future-ready. Ready to power your next renewable project? Connect with VSS Power Engineering Services Limited and build a smarter, greener future today.